Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje Orlando Pirates athi idlala against AmaZulu FC. Bengithi ngeke ngiyishaye ivideo regarding imatch namhlanje because ibi straightforward kakhulu. Orlando Pirates idominatile le game. But ke kunezinto few engifuna ukuyiraise regarding le game le. Because mukhumbula kahle Orlando Pirates igame elandelayo bayodlala against Kaizer Chiefs next week ngesonto. Remember igame ihlehlisiwe isadlala ngomhla 25 isizodlala ngomhla 26. So njengoba bayodlala nje next week against the Kaizer Chiefs le ngakwazanga ukuthi ke iwine namhlanje ngosathathe bedlala neBulwane City. Indlela uAbdeslam Wadu ayisethe ngakhona ilineup namhlanje leyo nto leyo izokwazi ukuthi imsize aphinde ayishaye iKaizer Chiefs kwileague. Because uma ubheke ilineup yakhe namhlanje indlela ayapproaching ngakhona le game le inobuhlakani kakhulu. Yabo inobuhlakani kakhulu because one would say ama team siyawa undermine. Mina ngokwami I thought siyawa undermine ama team ngokuqalisa abadlali abangajwayele ukuqala but ke ngithase ngiyibuka ilineup yamaZulu ngabona ukuthi AmaZulu wona awazile ukuthi ke azonikeza Orlando Pirates inkinga. Yabo uma usubheka ilineup yamaZulu ubheka ilineup yeOrlando Pirates because muyibona ilineup yePirates bekhona bani na bekhona uNdaba lapha ku left back umjida ubemnandi kakhulu namhlanje. Yabo uNdaba kade sagcina ukumbona eqala igame but ke uyiqalile igame namhlanje umjida he was very good kwigame namhlanje. Simbonile bafethu uMakhehleni Makhawula naye eqala after a long time. uTalente Mbatha bengekho kwigame namhlanje. It seems like umjida wathinteka and I spoke about uTalente Mbatha in a previous video I did. Ngasho ukuthi umjida ke kwamanye ama game kumele sithi kumhlalisa kancane phansi bafethu uTalente Mbatha because asikwazi ukumdlalisa each and every game because we know ukuthi umjida uyashesha ukuthintakala. Yabo nje umezothinteka umjida somdanga ama games amakhulu and le game elandelayo esoyidlala against iKaizer uyadingala uTalente Mbatha. Nambona the last Soweto derby umjida wayidlala kanjani. So uzobedingakala ngempela kule derby siyakuyona. So namhlanje bafethu mina ngokwami ucoach lena lab le aqale ngayo ubonile ukuthi ke i-team esodlala nayo i-defensive. Yabo waba defensive ubani na uAtazwana ngosikhathi sidlala naye le Moses Mabhida. Waba defensive sawina ngobani na I think sawina 2-1 if I'm not mistaken. Lapho khona Koromfukeng kuze kuba khona i-on goal yalo keeper loyana. Yabo namhlanje ade kuvimbe omunye goalkeeper ku Olwethu Mzimela. That guy is a good goalkeeper. He's a good goalkeeper. It's a pity ukuthi umjida ukorelo amagoli amathathu namhlanje but umjidi uyakwazi ukuvimba. Yabo unayo future. I want to raise something regarding number 9 Orlando Pirates. Yabo I'm one of those guys yabo enginako ungamthembi kakhulu uMbuthuma but ke one thing I like about uMbuthuma, and I will always raise this, uMbuthuma he's a good striker. Ukuba i-good striker kwakhe kumathuba anawo kumathuba awathola uma usubheke kuyi-striker ezikhona la ku-Battle Premiership kubadlali abakhona awasebethola amathuba umjida uyalida kubantu abathola amathuba and bangawasebenzisi. That is my only critique regarding uMbuthuma ukuthi ke akawasebenzisi amathuba awatholayo. Yabo he is a phenomenal striker. Uyakwazi ukuthi ke aphume i-pace abe khona lapho nalapho. Yabo because uma usumbheke indlela alikore ngakhona igoli lakhe namhlanje ube ku space right kakhulu. Yabo ube ku space right kakhulu ukuthi ke ashaye inqako. Yabo any strike ubengakwazi alikore la goal but ke into emshaye kakhulu kule season umjida ubewathola amathuba amaningi akanje ya inkinga ubengakwazi ukuthi ke acapitalize uma engase nje afunde ukuba clinical. Umjida mfethu angayiqeda in a season irecord yatso Vilakazi ingaphela in a season. Alikho phela lela record latso Vilakazi in a season angaliqeda uma ngase afunde ukuba clinical. And I liked indlela Orlando Pirates approaching ngakhona le game le and namanye ama games jwayele uku-approacha kanje ukuthi ke senze sure ukuthi i-game siyikorela kuqala because Orlando Pirates yangakora kuqala iba nenkinga. Mesingakoranga qala sihlale siba nenkinga because ama team ayabona Orlando Pirates iyahluleka ukubuya. Yabo sina kuba nzima kakhulu ukuthi sibuye siwin igame. So mesikore kuqala yilapho khona sidlala kahle khona. Yabo 1 goal 2 goal usayifica Orlando Pirates usuzo defender deep. Mase ufuna ukuyi-attack Orlando Pirates bazophinde bakore more goals. That is what I like about Orlando Pirates. Ibhola la khona liyashesha kakhulu. Ekushesheni kwalo ibhola some players bahluleka ukuthi ke balifunde leli bhola leli masebeya limali. Really liked uNdaba wafethu namhlanje. uNdaba wafethu badlale kamnandi abajide emuva. Another clean sheet sitholile Sipho Chain, Hugo Bros, Asas, a beautiful goal from Mfokeng namhlanje bafethu. Umjida ungidlalele kahle kakhulu yabo. Osuna Police uyitholile man of the match naye. He was phenomenal in the game namhlanje. I always speak about Osuna Police. Angisathanda ukukhuluma ngayo umjida bafethu. Kuzobe ngakuthi ngiphusha iagenda. Umjida bafethu for me uyena benomfokeng. Baya compete.